Welcome back. It is day one of the 2024 Lanka T10 Super League, and we're into match number 3. The Kandy Bolts up against the Galle Marvels.
The Galle Marvels have won the toss, and guess what? They'll be bowling first.
Well, Tisara Pereira to start with leading Kandy, and you could see that he got a fairly experienced lineup. Miles Deekshana hasn't really been known for captaining sides, but just take a look at the Kandy side. Pathum Nissanka is there, George Mansi, Milinda Sirivardhan is a very experienced first-class cricketer. Dinesh Chandimal, Imad Wasim, quite a few big names. Shakib Al Hassan, who's playing in the Galle Marvels side. Then Sandun Virakodi, he was part of that Hong Kong Sixers winning team. He's picked as well.
Binuro Fernando, who was excellent in the Abu Dhabi T10, took wickets always in his first over. Can get bounce, and he has another wicket with his first ball this time. Chopped on by Nissanka.
This delivery is looking to charge, going slightly across, under edge onto the stumps. So Pathum Nissanka goes for 2 of 5 deliveries, and Kandy bowls a 5 for 1.
This has gone a long way up. This will be up there with a really good catch taken.
If you look at this shot, it was absolutely nothing. Pace off, hand coming off the bat, top edge. Take a look at this catch. Very good catch indeed. Sadisha Rajapaksa got underneath it. 3 fielders were on for it, but a good, well-judged catch. Mansi goes without scoring. It's 5 for 2, Kandy.
And Binuro Fernando hadn't conceded a run until that. Full toss, gets it through. So a poor shot, a poor start by Tikshana, but a good start by Chandimal. Hit through, a little bit short in length, and Chandimal looks in fine form. Get into that length, and like you said, Chandimal likes to pull that length, and he'll get his maximum, the first maximum of the match as well.
Pace off that time. Cutter from Luke Wood, and Chandimal picking the length perfectly. Really didn't have to rock back, but swung it.
He has to go, and the problem is if he doesn't get it right, he gives the opposition a chance. He does get this in the gap, it skids on, and he gets a boundary.
Skids away, 4. That's the problem now with the rains. Short one. Chandimal. That's his second 6 of the innings, and both in the same direction.
Yeah, major contribution so far in this innings has been from Chandimal's bat.
That's 6, that's 50. Dinesh Chandimal is playing a blinder of an innings.
Once again, a long hop. Invitation accepted.
Another 6. He's hitting them sweetly, Dinesh Chandimal.
Hitting against the line, there was no risk. Got it from the middle of the bat, and 3rd boundary for him in this over.
Oh, wow, wow, 3rd 6.
This is terrific batting from Chandimal.
Ball! Across the line he goes, and Vandersay gets his man.
A googly, and that did the trick. Sweet revenge by Vandersay. He was taken for 22 runs by Chandimal in this particular over, but had the last laugh. Nevertheless, a very good innings from Chandimal. 66 from just 25 deliveries.
Wow. Pereira slots that. It's gone far into the stands.
They need to get an insurance of about 20 more runs.
Last ball from T10. Oh, he's helped it straight to short third man, so that's put him out of his misery finally.
Just scoop the ball in the air and an easy catch. It's 91 for 4.
There we go. Luke Woods underneath it. He had to fetch it.
Once a batsman is desperate to find a boundary. I couldn't get the ball from the middle of the bat. Thick outside edge and a nicely judged catch. It's the captain who contributed 10. It's 94 for 5.
Probably just the one. Brings up the 100. It's not been a good innings from the Kandy Bulls. And the 100 built all around the Chandimal innings. 66 of 25, 12 boundaries to him. 3 for 9 to Binra Fernando. Van der Sar went for 22, but he picked up that big wicket off Chandimal.
From round the wicket, Imad Wasim. Oh, over square leg, gets a boundary on the leg stump. Again, this is not great bowling. This is really not great bowling.
This was just a drag down, asking to be put away. Santanu Virat Kohli is very strong to the leg side.
That's easy. That's easy. They're just picking him off. Goes over cover. One bounce for 4. He is a young man who's not experienced, so Alex Hales is making full use of it. Pace on again.
Alex Hales showing all his class and ability. Opening up the offside, keeping it the shape, and very importantly, having a good base to swing through the line. It was far away from the outside the off stump.
What will he do? Goes again. That's another big one. Almost or even bigger. 100 is looking smaller by every delivery.
Probably the shot of the day. Over extra cover again, not trying to hit too hard. Relying on timing. Stayed the price most of the time. This time straight to deep mid wicket. Milinda Sirivarthana did not have to move much.
Virat Kohli picked out the sole man on the boundary. Good catch, very good catch by Milinda Sirivarthana. Flat catch. Santanu Virat Kohli goes a quick fire 13 of 6. Ball marvels into the third over 36 for 1. Gone, gone. The umpire will refer it, but I think he's gone.
Nicely bowled, slow, big turn and clever operator Imad Wasim. Bowled it way outside the off stump and an easy stumping. Dinesh Chandimal does the rest. That has to be a simple decision. And he's gone for 23. And Galle marvels are 38 for 2.
Going full that time. They want a single. The throw is to... Oh! That has to be out. I think that's out. It's a direct hit. Bhanuka Rajapaksa is just continuing to run.
Rajapaksa did want to go for a single. Toucher calling and nowhere near. That's the confirmation. OUT. 39 for 3 after 3.1 overs.
That's 4, yes. Short and wide. That's Fletcher for you. Again, this time, very safely done.
Opening up the leg side, sitting deep in his crease. Set up nicely to be put away. Right in his arc. Went the distance, breaking the shackles.
Goes over extra cover. That is 6. What a way to finish the over. That's a huge 6 in fact. 18 runs off the over.
And at the moment, Shakib Al-Hassan, with all his experience, is 18 from 5, a couple of sixes. All full toss, and the Spiceman will not miss out on this.
After losing 3 quick wickets, that they have to steady the ship. Once they started to feel confident, they have gone after the bowlers.
3 sixes and a 4 make that 28 runs off 5, and they're in a rush to get this finished.
Yeah, he was kind of quiet for first 8 deliveries.
And at the moment, the Spiceman is just dealing in boundaries. Now then, has he got enough of this? Yes, he has got enough of this. Another 6 for Andre Fletcher. Trying to do it in style, and he does do it in style. Andre Fletcher with his 4th 6 finishes with 41 from 21. A partnership of 63-28. And a nice way to finish the game.
Yeah, he's a great ball striker. Fletcher hits the ball really hard and flat. Yeah, the highlight of the day has been, for me, Dominic. Batting second in this format is the way to go forward.
And in the opening day, they restricted the bolts to 100 for 5. Benura Fernando with 3 for 9. And then in reply, they win quite comfortably by 7 wickets.